Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you a little bit about web crawling with our web crawler. Now, as the name suggests, we provide a web crawler that enables you to crawl websites. If you've already created a project, which you'll need to do to perform any of the tasks in this video, please just navigate to that project from the project's home screen, which you'll see as soon as you log into Raptor. In this case I'm going to go to the Raptor project. And from here you have a number of options to crawl a website. You can click on the specific website to crawl a single website. You have this for competitors and for main sites. You have the option to crawl all main sites if you have multiple main sites added. You have the option to crawl all competitors if you have more than one competitor added, or any competitors. And you have the crawl all sites in project button if you want to crawl every single site that you have within a particular project. Now, if we go ahead and crawl, click the crawl button, this will take you through to the web crawling page. And from here you can see the 4 steps of the web crawling process. Firstly, we analyze the robots.txt file. We look for sitemap links in a number of known locations if they're not specified within the project or site settings. We scrape all of the URLs from the sitemap and add them to our crawl queue. And then once that is complete, we then move on to crawling the site, where we start to crawl all of the URLs that we've got in the crawl queue. Any new URLs that we find as we're crawling the website will be added to the crawl queue and then crawled during the website crawl process. Now, if we go back to the project and we crawl another website, you'll see that this process begins again for the other site. If we click on the active crawls link within the side menu here, this will show you all of the active crawls that you have going at any one time. We also provide a number of different data sets here, such as the number of URLs that we found across all of the crawls that are active, all of the URLs that have been crawled, the percentage complete. We visually represent this data in a chart on the right. We also provide some information about your monthly usage, because every URL that's crawled comes off of your usage, whether you run a free trial or a paid plan. The only way in which we meter our users are through the number of URLs that are being crawled. You can see there that as one site became complete and the crawl was complete, it's removed from the active crawls list. If we go through to this specific crawl, we can see that we're still in the process of crawling that site, and it's quickly redirected us to this page because both the crawl and the analysis are complete. Once the website is crawled, we perform an analysis on that data, where we perform a number of different SEO checks, as well as bucket that data into certain categories so that we can represent it in charts. So that's web crawling with Raptor's SEO tools. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.